A flickering light fills an empty office. Desks are still. Screens glow without anyone touching them. The hum of machines replaces the sound of typing. What happens when the first jobs we dream of no longer need us? In the UK and US, millions begin their careers in entry-level jobs, roles that teach, shape, and guide people into the world of work. But something has changed. Artificial intelligence, once just a tool, is now becoming the worker itself. This story matters now because for the first time in modern history, machines are taking the very jobs humans used to start their lives. In the early 2010s, AI was a quiet helper, sorting spreadsheets, suggesting answers, managing schedules. By 2022, generative AI tools like ChatGPT arrived, rewriting the rules of office work. In 2024, UK firms reported cutting junior roles to adopt AI systems that never sleep or demand pay raises. By 2025, experts warned that nearly half of all entry-level white-collar jobs could vanish in the next few years. Business leaders across the UK confirmed that almost 40% of companies reduced entry-level roles because of automation. A survey by the World Economic Forum said 40% of employers plan to cut staff where AI can take over. A study from a UK analytics firm found that nearly half of organizations now use AI in at least one department. These aren't rumors, they're records. AI isn't just coming for jobs, it's already here. Not everyone agrees with the idea of a jobpocalypse. Some researchers argue that AI isn't killing jobs, it's changing them. They say automation is removing boring, repetitive work, freeing humans to focus on creativity and strategy. Others warn that retraining is easier said than done. Not every worker can just jump into a new digital world overnight. The truth likely lies somewhere in between. AI is reshaping work, not erasing it, but the pain of change is real. In London, Aisha, 22, refreshes her job portal for the 10th time. Every role says, experience required, AI knowledge preferred. She wonders, how do you gain experience when entry-level jobs are gone? In New York, Jake, a customer service rep, now manages the chatbot that replaced half his team. His role survived, but it's lonelier. Across both nations, people are adapting, not out of choice, but out of necessity. Imagine the job market as a ladder. For decades, the first few rungs were solid: internships, assistant roles, traineeships. AI has started sanding down those lower rungs. Without them, climbing higher becomes harder for the next generation. This matters because work isn't just about money, it's identity, dignity, and direction. Lawmakers now face urgent questions. How do we prepare the young for an economy where entry levels might mean AI assisted? And what happens to ambition when machines do the learning faster? We know AI is cutting some entry-level roles. We know companies are hiring differently, but we don't yet know how far this wave will reach, or who will still have a place when the dust settles. Next, what happens next? With high confidence, AI will keep reshaping office jobs, forcing workers to blend digital skills with human creativity. With medium confidence, many traditional starter roles, admin, data entry, support, will shrink fast. And with low confidence, entirely new roles could rise: AI supervisors, prompt specialists, model trainers. The path forward depends on how fast people and policy can adapt. What would you notice first if your job was quietly automated? The jobpocalypse isn't about the end of work, it's about the end of work as we knew it. Those who learn to work with AI, not against it, may still climb the ladder, just one built differently. If you want to understand how automation is reshaping global economies, watch our next episode, The Rise of the Algorithm Economy.